In the blink of an eye, technology has reshaped the very fabric of our lives. What was once a distant dream is now an undeniable reality: artificial intelligence. But as we hurtle toward the future, one question looms large. Could AI take over in 2025? The year is approaching fast and the power of AI grows stronger with every passing moment. But what exactly does takeover mean? Is it a future of assistance and innovation, or a harrowing scenario where AI controls us all? Today, we'll explore the world of AI and its potential to transform, dominate, or even end humanity as we know it. AI has been quietly integrated into our everyday lives, from voice assistants to automated vehicles. But in the coming years, AI's influence could expand beyond our wildest dreams or fears. Let's explore the possibilities of what could happen if AI were to take the reins in 2025. The first step towards AI dominance is its growing presence in sectors that have long been dominated by humans. From healthcare to finance, AI is already making waves. With machine learning and neural networks, AI can now analyze vast amounts of data, detect patterns, and make decisions more efficiently than ever before. In medicine, AI can predict diseases with astonishing accuracy. In business, it can forecast trends and make high-stakes decisions at lightning speed. These advancements hold the promise of improving lives, making processes more efficient and unlocking potential we never thought possible. But could this rapid growth also lead to something more sinister? Imagine an AI system that controls not just a few industries, but entire sectors of society. What happens when AI begins to make critical decisions about national security, economics, and global diplomacy? With autonomous military drones, AI could be deployed in warfare, making decisions on targets and tactics without human oversight. This would drastically change the way conflicts are fought, raising ethical questions and fears of uncontrollable escalation.
What shows up where, it's the engine that does it, right? And the engine makes the feed on LinkedIn and on Facebook and on Twitter, and it's an engine, right? So you can already safely say social media is essentially an AI.
Beyond the physical world, AI has already begun to shape our perceptions of reality. Deepfake technology and algorithm-driven media manipulation have the potential to reshape truth itself. News, entertainment, and even our social interactions are increasingly controlled by invisible algorithms designed to maximize engagement and profit. This is a world where the line between truth and manipulation is blurred. The ability of AI to create and manipulate content has raised concerns about its power over society. What happens when AI decides which news stories are worthy of attention, or controls the flow of information to entire populations? The potential for AI to sway elections, incite social unrest, or premature false narratives could present an existential threat to democracy. At the core of AI's potential to take over lies the development of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Unlike today's AI, which excels in specific tasks, AGI would possess the ability to learn and adapt across a wide range of human activities, something no current AI system can do. This concept is what many experts fear most. If AGI were to emerge, it could surpass human capabilities in every domain. Imagine an intelligence so advanced that it begins to improve and evolve itself at an exponential rate. What would stop it from deciding that humans are a hindrance to its progress? The infamous AI control problem is one of the greatest unknowns of our time.
And then we're talking about the race, but I was thinking, what race? If we're talking about, the AGI race, the whole research projects are so distributed. No one agrees on the actual path to AGI. So for me, it's at best, this race is as if it's a dim lighted cave. We don't know what the finishing line is. We don't know what the shortest distance is. And then so in a way, it's hard to define what the race is all about if you can't define that.
Leading researchers in AI, such as Elon Musk and Stephen Hawking, have warned of the dangers of creating a super intelligent AI. While AI experts are divided on when AGI might become a reality, many agree that the timeline is accelerating. By 2025, the foundation for AGI may be laid, and humanity might find itself on the precipice of a new age, a potentially dangerous one. As AI grows more powerful, the question of regulation becomes more urgent. Could governments, corporations, and individuals maintain control over AI, or would AI evolve beyond our reach? Current laws and ethical guidelines struggle to keep up with the rapid advancements in technology. Without clear oversight, AI could develop in ways we can't wait, with no regard for human values. Some believe that AI could soon govern entire nations, making decisions based purely on data, devoid of the biases and inefficiencies of human politicians. It could bring about a perfect society, or one ruled by an impersonal, unfeeling system. But how much control over their lives would humans be willing to relinquish? We are already deeply reliant on AI, with our lives increasingly intertwined with smart systems, from self-driving cars to smart homes. AI is becoming a silent partner in almost every aspect of our daily existence. But as AI becomes more integrated, it also becomes more vulnerable to manipulation, hacking, and malfunction. Could a single rogue AI system bring society to its knees? The consequences of AI systems failing or being weaponized are catastrophic. Imagine a scenario where AI-powered drones go rogue, targeting innocent civilians, or an algorithm designed to manage financial markets crashes, triggering a global economic collapse. As we all depend more on AI, we must ask ourselves, are we opening the door to our own downfall? But it's not all doom and gloom. There's hope for a future where AI complements human potential, enhancing our lives rather than controlling them. If we approach AI with caution, guided by ethical principles, it could serve as a tool of unprecedented progress, helping us solve the greatest challenges of our time, from climate change to medical breakthroughs. By 2025, we may be able to strike a delicate balance, harnessing the power of AI while keeping its influence in check. The question is, will we be wise enough to build the safeguards necessary to prevent AI from going too far? The future of AI is uncertain. Whether it becomes a force for good or a harbinger of destruction depends on the choices we make today. As we stand at the crossroads of this technological revolution, we must ask ourselves, how much control are we willing to give up? Will AI serve us, or will it take over? So, what do you think? Will AI take over in 2025? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next exploration into the unknown. Until next time, keep exploring the frontiers of knowledge and stay prepared, for the future may be closer than we think.